Good day and welcome to ISP, where our mission is to help US AEC firms with the world-class production support. In this video, we will try to describe our capabilities and processes of how our India team can support your in-house MEP team with a very high level of production support, including calculations, complete designs, and also quality control. But before we get too deep into our engineering capabilities, let's take a look at our amazing team. It all starts right here in our HR department and world-class training institute, where we hire the best mechanical and electrical engineers in India and then teach them how we design in the US. Our MEP training system includes everything from engineering principles and design, construction document preparation, codes and standards, calculation procedures, and also quality control.
All engineers must receive a high passing grade and then we convert them into billable employees working as remote team members for firms like yours. Our basic model is to create a team of 8 to 10 people including senior engineers, some junior engineers and support staff.
These teams are a shared resource from 1 to 4 clients maximum. The team leaders and co-team leaders handle most of the communication and scheduling for all of your projects. ISP's mechanical engineers can help your team complete everything from load and wind calculations to complete construction documents using our integrated HVAC design process. Whether you're working in REVIT or AutoCAD, your ISP team can set up all of the project sheets using your company standards.
Just give them an index of plan sheets and they will get the sheet set up, floor plans organized and ready for design. Note that this will be the same process for plumbing, fire protection and electrical systems.
HVAC system design starts with load and ventilation calculations. To get started, just send your ISP team floor plans and elevations or a BIM model.
We perform vent calculations using ASHRAE 62 standards in the software of your choice. Your ISP team will get all space modeled including internal heat gains. If you provide direction on air systems and zoning, your ISP team can model the air systems into the load calculation software and return to your PE for validation.
Once the calculations are approved, just send your ISP team locations and sizes of HVAC equipment. For more complicated or built-up systems, you can send selections from your local equipment vendor.
A rough sketch of main duct and pipe routing is all you need to send, and the ISP team will complete HVAC plans including equipment, ducting and piping with sizing. If you want sections cut, the ISP team can also take care of this. The plans will be QC'd by the team and delivered back to you for review and approval. Your ISP team can also complete HVAC schedules including performance and design criteria.
Notes will be ref for review and redlining by your engineer off record. What a time saver this can be!
If your team doesn't already have a details library, ISP can provide one or organize yours with each detail categorized and numbered.
Once this is complete, you can ask your ISP team to arrange all of the required project details neatly on the sheets. This is also the same process for plumbing and electrical systems.
Provide a sketch of the control system diagrams and your ISP team can use your company standards to create complete controls diagrams and sequence of operations for your TE to review.
Our electrical engineers are trained to perform everything from calculations to power and lighting plans to panel schedules to complete riser diagram with your in-house engineers' oversight.
When required, your ISP team can create estimated loads for floors or buildings based on NEC.
Just send them architectural floor plans and direct the India team on the calculations you need, and they will get to work. ISP's electrical engineers can start with just a basic floor plan and layouts, all required devices and outlets. Just let your ISP team know the desired locations of service entrance and electrical gear. You can also send a rough sketch of a riser diagram. If you have any special equipment, just let them know and they will include in the design. For kitchens or industrial where owner's equipment needs to be connected, just send them an equipment schedule or cut sheet booklet. ISP engineers will create completed plans, show all circuiting and complete the panel schedules including voltage drop calculations. They will size all the branch conduits and wires in the same standards your firm uses. To get lighting plans completed by your ISP team, you can send them fixture type. Also, provide some information on the desired control type such as hardwire, relay panels or other lighting control panels. ISP engineers can lay out all lighting fixtures throughout the building and perform both normal and emergency photometrics to verify proper lighting levels. ISP will also lay out locations for the control devices. Once the lighting plans are approved from your engineers of record, ISP can complete circuiting to panels along with sizing conductors and conduits. Whether your firm uses spreadsheets, AutoCAD or REVIT-based panel schedules, your ISP electrical team can complete the panel schedules with ease. Demand factors based on NEC will be incorporated and total panel loads will be calculated. Panel schedules will be verified against the plans to ensure they are coordinated. Finally, panel sizes, including AEC ratings and other pertinent information, will be verified and designed properly. ISP's electrical engineers can complete either one-line diagrams or riser diagrams based on your preference. ISP will verify panel requirements and indicate all panels and switchboard information on the diagram. ISP's engineers will size all the feeders and conduits based on NEC, including voltage drop allowance, along with other code-required correction factors. Short circuit calculations will be performed, and AEC ratings along with NEMA ratings for each panel and overcurrent devices will be shown on the riser. To perform site lighting photometrics, just send a site plan and types of lights to be used. ISP's engineers can verify local lighting's ordinance and lay out all lighting to meet code while making sure perimeter's lighting levels meet local ordinance for light spillovers. ISP performs all work in AGI and provides a fully laid out site plan along with tables indicating lighting types and levels. If you need to perform coordination study, power systems analysis or arc flash analysis, ISP can gather the correct information from your engineer of record and model the power system in SKM. Once modeled, ISP will send your engineers completed single line diagrams, time current curves or other pertinent data as required. Arc flash labels can be generated based on your owner's requirements. Whether you're working on a high-rise, single-story building, kitchen, dental suite, or any other occupancy, ISP's plumbing team can help you complete full code-compliant designs using your company standards. To get a full sanitary and venting system design complete, just provide your ISP remote plumbing team with the floor plans and either site utility plans or points of connections. Don't worry. ISP's plumbing engineers are fully trained in international building code design, including different types of venting. If the invert elevations at the points of connections are known, ISP can design the entire sanitary system and venting system to meet code. This includes fully completed isometrics diagrams, all pipe-sized, based on fixture units as well as selection of fixtures. For kitchens, your ISP plumbing team can size grease tanks and show all of the kitchen grease drainage versus sanitary drainage based on your local jurisdictional requirements. Provide a cut sheet book or a kitchen equipment plan, and ISP can verify and help complete the plumbing connection information as well. For roof and storm drainage, ISP team will only require a roof plan with location of primary and secondary drains as well as roof pitch and slope information. ISP's engineers will calculate necessary roof drain and pipe sizes and route all piping underground to the point of connection as shown on the civil plans. ISP will verify and indicate all invert elevations at the connection points. Domestic water systems, including cold, hot, and recirculating hot water piping, can be fully designed by your ISP remote team, including pipe sizing and connections to fixtures. For recirculation loops, ISP's plumbing engineers can design the system to ensure how water is delivered to the required fixtures efficiently. Water heater calculation and sizing will be performed by ISP's engineers for final verification by the engineer of record. ISP's plumbing team can complete fixture schedules based on your engineers or architect's fixture selections. All pertinent data will be shown to allow contractors to purchase the correct fixtures. Whether you need performance level design or a complete design with hydraulic calculations, ISP's fire protection engineers can complete the system design to meet NFPA. Hazard classifications as well as sprinkler spacing can be indicated. For complete systems design, ISP can model the system in the required software and size all necessary piping, fire pumps, risers, and other equipment. Hopefully, based on this video, you can see the awesome capabilities of ISP's MEP engineering team. Again, our focus is to help your MEP firm become more productive and profitable. I'm sure that your ISP MEP team will make sure all of your projects are designed with quality and efficiency. Thank you. Woohoo!